Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to uninstall games from your Xbox. So let's go right away. We obviously want to do this because we want to free up space. So you just pick that last option, My Games and Apps. Once you guys are in there, okay, if we go into games, that's your first tab really. You guys can pick any game from right here and you guys can uninstall it. If you guys have a CD and you guys install it that way, you guys can still uninstall it this way. You do not need the CD to uninstall a game. If you guys downloaded the game, same deal. I mean, if you guys download a game, there's no CD anyways. But if you guys had a CD before, don't worry about it. You guys can uninstall it. So I'm going to install this game, which I no longer have the CD for. So yeah, to get to there, just go over the game right now. And then just this button up here, okay, for more options. And then just scroll down where it says uninstall. Okay. And then uninstall. Yeah, and I know the wording is kind of tricky. It tells you uninstall all. It almost doesn't make sense because you're just uninstalling one game. So I know it can get a little bit dumb even that it's asking you that, like uninstall all really, but yeah, it's just the one game that you guys picked. So I'm gonna do another one so you guys can see how that is again. So not Sonic, let's pick one that came from a CD, such as Dead Rising. So there we go. And this again, it's gonna free up a bunch of space depending on what game you guys are installing. So Destiny 2, same deal. Let's uninstall that. Okay, extinction, I mean. Let's uninstall that. Alright. And that's our uninstalling spree for now. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys are having problems, let me know. I'll try to get to you and fix whatever problems you guys have. This is the same thing if you have an Xbox One S, One X, just the Xbox One, for example. It's the same deal. Anyways, again, if you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.